Hello and welcome to the course. I'm so glad you're with us. Hi, I'm Steve Ballinger. I'm the creator and the instructor for the course and a long-time successful investor, and I'm very glad you're with us here. As you can see, it's a very big course. We've got a lot of material to cover, which hopefully that's great for you. And the course is designed that you can start at the beginning and go all the way straight through, and it's in a logical manner, so you can do it that way. Or if you are, depending where in your investment journey, maybe you want to skip around to different sections or different lessons, that's perfectly okay. It works that way as well. Whatever works best for you. Though I would encourage you to watch the next two lessons first. They're kind of good foundational ones around, can I make money in the stock market and how much? And then also looking at, well, what's the worst that could happen and what's a worst case scenario? So the two lessons that happen after this one are good foundational ones to watch, and maybe the whole purpose, they'll get you all excited about investing in the stock market. A couple other things to make sure how you can consume the course as best as possible for you in this quick introduction. One is you can change the speed. Udemy allows you to change the speed. They change your look every once in a while, but they'll always have a control as far as how to adjust the speed. So sometimes I get very excited talking about stocks, and I might talk a little fast for many of you. Feel free to slow it down, to change the speed down if you need to do that. Also, the video quality comes out automatically based on your internet connection and other things, your device, and Udemy takes care of that all automatically. But everything I filmed is in 1080p high definition video, so you can always adjust that as well if you want. Just Udemy automatically streams it to be at the best rate. Also, a couple things. Good to take notes. I would encourage you to take notes as you go through the course. Maybe you hear something, you're like, oh, I heard about this mutual fund expense ratio being above 1%. Might want to look at that. And maybe you're thinking, I have mutual funds. Maybe I want to check that. You just make a little note as far as some things you might want to check, or maybe you want to look at a link or something that's included in the course later. You can do that. So it's good to take notes as you go through the course. And lastly, ask questions. That's a beautiful thing about Udemy, is you can ask questions, and I answer every single question. And I encourage folks to ask questions. I encourage everyone in the course to jump in and answer questions and share their thoughts as well too. So click the button that says Q&A or questions at the top there, and feel free to ask questions. Once again, I answer every single one. Okay, well, that's it for this short intro. Let's get diving into the course now and learn how we can become great at investing in stocks in the stock market and make some good money along the way to fund our goals and dreams.